Hi, I'm Amy McCarter. Welcome to House Calls, brought to you by CAMCO, where Kansas healthcare professionals deliver health insight. Today I'm speaking with Dr. Jennifer Kuntz of Newton about weekend warriors. What is a weekend warrior?
Well, a weekend warrior is typically an adult who plays a recreational sport on the weekend, but doesn't consistently train for that sport throughout the week. It is fun to play softball on the weekends or a weekly volleyball or hockey league, but most people don't make time to train on a consistent basis.
What are some of the dangers?
Well, first of all, I would say I applaud anyone who is exercising, and I would not want to discourage any sort of athletic participation. Unfortunately, weekend warriors get injured at a much higher rate than people who regularly train for their sport.
Why do they get injured more often?
Well, there are several important things that our bodies need in order to prevent injury while we're playing sports. The first is strength, and the second is stability of a joint. Without regular exercise, both of these are impaired. The other two important concepts are flexibility and proprioception. Proprioception is our body's sense of where a joint is in space. If this is impaired, a knee is easier to buckle or an ankle sprains easier. Our correction system is not quick enough to keep the injury from happening.
Do you have any recommendations?
Yeah, well, first of all, I would recommend exercising at least 5 days per week. This can be simple, like a walking program, or more complicated, like a weights and conditioning program. Second, recognize soreness and change your regimen. Soreness can be a warning sign that an injury is about to occur. Finally, do regular stretching and make sure you have the appropriate gear for your sport. Doing all these things should keep you in the game.
Okay. Great information, thank you.
Thank you.
Please join us next week for a new health topic discussion on House Calls.